So welcome all of you. Audio video clear now. So we'll start the session in the next 30 seconds. Please invite your friends also to be part of the session. Ye link share kariye. They can attend it live or recorded as per their convenience. So let more people be part of the live session. So share the link as soon as possible. Share it among your WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups also. It's a very important session before the upcoming CSIR-NET exam. And for the new students, check out our other lectures. Most expected questions ka lecture last day discuss kiya tha. And rapid fire lectures, almost 6 or 7 lectures of rapid fire sessions. वो भी practice करिए. ये तीनों series will help you a lot. And additionally, we are giving a free mock test also as part of Christy's classes initiative. Free mock test for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. Before your exam, you can attempt this free mock test also. ये mock test attempt करने के लिए download our mobile application Christy's classes. In the description of the video, you can find the link of the mobile application, or join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group. There you can find the link to all these free resources. So for the new students, my name is Christy Varghese. I'm the author of the book CSIR-NET General Aptitude and New Outlook. That is a current bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A preparation, which is available in Amazon and Flipkart. And these are the other resources we provide. Telegram channel, WhatsApp group join कर सकता है. Mobile application download किया तो you can be part of our free mock test course and other free resources we provide. And subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming free classes. Till your exam, continuous free classes we are planning. So support this channel and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that YouTube will remind you when the live classes starts. So and December aspirants ke liye, we have started the latest live complete course for December 2025 CSIR-NET exam. Now it is available at the early bird price. So make use of this offer price, December CSIR-NET aspirants. And GATE ke liye, yesterday onwards we started the live complete course 2.0 version. Will be available at the launch price of 1,999. Using the coupon code launch 500 you can access it. More details of the course I will tell towards the end of the class. Okay, so आज flashcard revision का lecture है. So flashcard it will not be a single lecture. Today I will be taking half an hour only. Whatever we can complete in this half an hour we'll be completing today, and the rest will be discussed in the tomorrow's class. So okay, so we'll start with the most important unit. CSIR mein there are many units. So one important unit is number system or numbers related questions. You can expect 1 to 3, 1 question, 2 question or 3 question directly from this number system unit. So uske liye different types of numbers is the first thing you should be clear about. That I'm very sure that all of you are very clear about it. इसमें कोई numbers के बारे में doubt है तो पूछ सकता है. Because one by one if I explain this itself will take 10 to 15 minutes. So tell me if you have doubts on any of these numbers. This is a revision series before the exam. ये सारा topics complete course students, ये सारा topics we have discussed in detail in our lectures. ये एक revision जैसा आपको useful होगा. And those who are following my YouTube videos only, ये topics के बारे में detailed lectures you can check out in this channel. You can, as I told in the last class also, any topic के बारे में मेरा lectures चाहिए तो you can just search that topic, number system by Christy Varghese. In Google if you search also you can find not only my channel videos, other channel में मैंने upload किया हुआ videos भी, you can get it. Okay, so these numbers all of you are clear about, so I'm not repeating it. इसका ये Venn diagram will help you to clear any doubts. Natural number is subset of whole number, subset of integer, subset of rational number, subset of real numbers. So ये idea सब clear है ना? Nasma, not like a crash course, it is like a follow-up of the previous lectures. I will suggest you new students who are watching my lecture for the first time today, after today's class, go through the rapid fire lectures of the last week and yesterday's most expected question lecture. ये तीनों series follow किया तो that itself will give you a few questions easily. Even if your preparation is not top notch, few questions you can get from these series as itself. And if your preparation is top notch, You can increase the number of questions you can do. These numbers are clear. Normally in our class we discussed numbers using the chair analogy. When you go to a hall, chairs ka arrangement dekh ke you can see, you can learn about even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, etc. But I'm not discussing those things because exam ke liye what is most relevant we will discuss now. So Avanish, I will try my maximum. Marathon session ke liye the main problem is I'm not getting a free day. Every day there will be classes or some other meetings or some other things. That's why marathon session ke liye at least 1/2 day at least milna chahiye na. So let me see if whatever possible in the upcoming days we will do. So please let me know whether you are interested in more such sessions. All of you, those of you watching me live or recorded, motivate us through the comment section. Okay, so ये idea भी बहुत ही important है. Odd number even number का addition subtraction क्या मिलेगा? Odd number plus odd number क्या है? Even number. या ये chair analogy उसके लिए भी help करेगा. This is an odd number. Another odd number means ये extra chair और ये gap मिला के you will get an even number. So odd plus odd will be even only. Similarly, odd plus even. You can take an example and try. 2 plus 1 is 3 na. That's an odd number. Even plus even, 2 plus 2 is an even number. This indirectly is needed in many questions. So odd, 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 even, odd, addition. Addition bata hai to subtraction same hai because subtraction is nothing but negative addition. Similarly, multiplication. हाँ, even product मिलने के लिए at least one number even होना चाहिए. So even into odd is even into even is also even. Odd number मिलने के लिए दोनों numbers odd होना चाहिए. Division also it is correct, but division works only if it is exactly divisible. Not all cases it is exactly divisible. So division you don't have to worry. And power, actually this idea can help you in some questions. Odd number raised to any power is odd. Even number raised to any power is even. The detailed explanation number systems का lectures में दिया है. Okay, now very important. Exam के पहले ये 6 properties revise करके जाना चाहिए. Not only direct question, indirect question के लिए भी ये useful है. If bases are same, how to multiply? Just add up the powers. That's the first rule. If bases are same, how to divide? Just subtract the powers. For example, 2 raised to 4 by 2 raised to 3 is not 2 raised to 4 by 3. It is 2 raised to 4 minus 3. Clear है ना? Now powers are same. Multiplication और division कैसा करेगा? Just base को combine करिए. Base में multiplication है तो multiplication, base में division है तो division. That's all. Like 2 cube into 3 cube is 2 into 3 the whole cube. 8 cube by 4 cube is 8 by 4 the whole cube. Clear है ना? The base same, power same. That is the two things, multiplication and division. Now power of power. CSIR ने multiple times यह concept पूछा था. 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised, sorry, 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 का value क्या है? So that, for that you have to use this. A raised to m raised to n. If no bracket is given, you have to start from the top. 2 raised to 3 raised to 4 means 3 raised to 4 का पहला calculate करना है. If bracket is there, bracket can be done first. That is one way. For example, a raised to m the whole raised to n. 2 raised to 3 the whole raised to 4. 2 raised to 3, 8. 8 raised to 4 किया तो 4096 मिलेगा. Otherwise, if bracket is there, there's a shortcut. You can just multiply the powers. ये सबका logical explanation है. Certs and 11 years of teaching experience and 11 years, almost 2-3 years I have worked on this flashcards. It's sad to know that some of you are using it like a pirated material. Use the original material itself rather than going for pirated material. I don't know who sends it, but if you are getting the PDF or something, please don't share it among your friends. It is an insult to the hard work done by an author. You can use the flashcards, but you can check it in our WhatsApp group and Telegram group. Almost all flashcards are there. But it's a copyrighted material. As a PDF, sharing it among your friends, that is not a nice thing. This thing came into our notice last few months. That's why I'm just mentioning. So, क्योंकि ये printed material भी है, that is why I'm telling it. Okay, so coming back to ये clear है ना? ये flashcard clear है ना? कोई doubt है तो पूछ सकता है. 2 की power 81. 2 की power 81 कैसा solve करना है? That is not necessary at all, Nasma. उतना बड़ा value solve करना very time consuming. But what I told is the difference between these two notations. If no bracket means this is called tower rule of exponents. Power पहला simplify करना है. Top part. So m raised to n, 3 raised to 4 first solve करना है. 3 raised to 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 81. So then 2 raised to 81 calculate करना है, but CSIR will not ask you to calculate that. CSIR just want to know whether you know that particular thing. Power of power कैसा simplify करना है. That's all. Not the arithmetic. Clear है ना? No doubt. Okay. Now CSIR multiple times ये idea पूछा है. Last digit of power का. Last digit of power ka I have taken at least 3 or 4 times in this YouTube channel itself. How to identify last digit. I will just summarize this. I am not teaching this from the start because uske liye 1 hour लगेगा. But I will just summarize it. For example, 32 raised to 91 का last digit find करने के लिए 32 into 32 into 32 into 32 into 91 times multiply करके, that will take a lot of time, or that is almost impossible in exam hall. That is why you have to know the cyclicity concept. So generally cyclicity concept 3 different types का होता है. Cyclicity 1 numbers, that's the easiest. For example, 0 ending number, 1 ending number, 5 ending number, 6 ending number. These are cyclicity 1 ending numbers. Cyclicity 1 numbers are 0, 1, 5, 6. उसका speciality क्या है? That raised to any power, will be that digit itself. For example, 31 raised to 91 will be 1, 31 raised to 92 will be 1 itself, because 1 का cyclicity एक ही element है, एक ही possibility है, 1 only. Similarly 30 raised to 91 है तो भी 0 ही होगा. And 35 raised to 91 also 5 ही होगा. 36 raised to 91 also 6 ही होगा. Are you understanding? The cyclicity 1 type of numbers are these 4 numbers. Clear है ना? All of you? Thank you Avinash, thank you so much. Thank you Amisha. Yes, Anshika, let me see if possible we will conduct more rapid fire sessions. That's why I told you what kind of sessions all of you want. Comment accordingly. More people demand. We will plan for that, such sessions in the upcoming days. But flashcard series, at least 2 more sessions will be there. Okay, anyway, so cyclicity 1 is very simple. Now cyclicity 2 elements are there, 4 and 9. इसका speciality ये है, उसका power odd है तो odd power है तो first type, even power है तो second type. For example, 34 raised to 91 है तो ये 91 odd number है ना, तो first type 4 होगा answer. 39 raised to 91, 91 odd number है, so first type itself, so 9. Now 34 raised to 92 है तो second type, so 6 होगा answer. 39 raised to 92 है तो second type, 1 होगा answer. Again, I am just revising this. Check out the previous lectures on last digit of power. In free classes itself I have explained. I am not telling you how to join our complete course to learn this. Complete course students, check the detailed video there. But YouTube video में ही ये explain किया है multiple times. Go through it, you will understand it properly. And ये almost 4 times CSIR ने पूछा है ये question. Sometimes directly, sometimes it is like 32 raised to 91 minus 31 raised to 43. What will be the value? So that way also it was asked. So that is clear, I guess. Now the most complicated cases, cyclicity 4 type number. Cyclicity 4 type number. What is cyclicity 4 type number? Cyclicity 4 type number is that last digits which have 4 different last digit combination. For example, 32 raised to 91 का last digit find करना है तो first of all ये 2 का power cycle find करना है. What is power cycle of 2? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16 का last digit 6, 6 into 2 will be again 2. So again 2 means again 4, again 8, again 6. So 2, 4, 8, 6 power cycle will continue. 2, 4, 8, 6 power cycle will continue. Na? So मतलब पावर साइकिल में 4 एलिमेंट्स पॉसिबल है. 4 एलिमेंट्स पॉसिबल वाला केसेस है 2, 3, 7, 8 का. उसमें से 2 का पावर साइकिल वी डिराइव 2, 4, 8, 6. सेम वे में 3, 7, 8 का पावर साइकिल डिराइव कर सकता है. अदरवाइज ये टेबल से बाई हार्ट करना पड़ेगा. डिराइव ही कर सकता है. प्रैक्टिस करिए, यू कैन ईजिली डिराइव इट. नाउ डिराइव करने के बाद क्या करना है? आई टोल्ड यू पावर साइकिल 2 cyclicity वाला पावर साइकिल में क्या किया? odd number, even number, because only 2 varieties. Here 4 varieties are possible. So to identify the variety, you have to take the power. For example, 32 raised to 91 है तो 91 divide by 4 रिमाइंडर ऑब्टेन करना है. मैथ्स में इसका टेक्निकल टर्म है मोडुलो ऑपरेटर. 91 मोडुलो 4 फाइंड करना है. 91 मोडुलो 4 मीन्स 91 by 4 का रिमाइंडर वो 3 है ना. 3 है तो थर्ड एलिमेंट होगा आंसर. रिमाइंडर 2 है तो सेकंड एलिमेंट. रिमाइंडर 1 है तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. रिमाइंडर 4 नहीं हो सकता. रिमाइंडर 0 है तो फोर्थ एलिमेंट. दैट इज द थियरी ऑफ ऑल cyclicity for case numbers. Again, if you are hearing this cyclicity concept for the first time, I'm sure you may have got some confusions. That's why I'm saying please go through the previous detailed videos on this. Last digit of power by Christy Varghese, if you search it, you will get that video for sure. Or just go through different playlists in this channel, you will understand it. So clear hai na? Otherwise, if you want a particular video or something in our group, you can mention. Someone or the other will share it. So that's why you all are welcome to be part of our Telegram group and WhatsApp group. There students interact well to have doubts cleared. So this concept was repeated multiple times. I'm not sure this time they will ask or not, but if it is asked, this single concept is enough to, it is a dicto sure getting marks. There is no twist and turns in this kind of questions. Some questions it is twisted that even if you know how to solve, if you miss a point in the question, you may get a wrong answer. But yes, straightforward question hai. What is the last digit of 23 raised to 3001? 2007 raised to 2003. It's a straightforward question I have multiple times. So that is why if you know this concept, sure shot you can get the marks if the question comes. And if the question comes, I'm not sure. That's why I didn't include this in the most expected questions. But chances are there. So revise this and go before exam. So clear hai na? So last digit. The number system, one number is very particularly important, prime number. 2025 फरवरी एग्जाम में 1 क्वेश्चन पेपर में इसमें से क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली आया था. दैट इज व्हाई प्लीज गो थ्रू दिस. आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. ये प्राइम नंबर चेकिंग मेथड लास्ट मिनट के लिए ये लर्न नहीं करना है. इफ यू ऑलरेडी नो, गुड फॉर यू, इट्स फाइन, बट अदरवाइज स्किप इट. बट एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट फ्यू प्राइम नंबर्स एंड दिस प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स यू शुड नो. गो थ्रू इट एंड टेल मी. आई हैव अ throat issue today, that's why cannot continuously speak. That's why today's session I want to limit it to 30 minutes. So please go through it and tell me if you have doubt. Let me check if there is any doubts in the chat already mentioned. Maths profile, you can check in the description of the video. Telegram group is there. Maths there, you can join it. Sharing this channel with. Thank you so much, Anshika. Good to see that you people are sharing to your friends and they are also attending the session. Thank you for all of you who took an effort to let others know about this channel. Yeah, that's I want to tell a glad news or glad thing I saw today morning. Today morning, one of us, he was, I think, a class 12 student. He texted that he was searching in ChatGPT how to prepare for GATE exam. I think GATE exam or CSIR, which I don't remember. One of the exam, and in the result, the first thing came up is prepare General Aptitude with Christy Varghese. So yeah, ChatGPT recommending it is not only because of the quality of the content, it is also because more people are referring that videos to more. That is how AI also know it. Not because AI have gone through all my videos, but AI can do that. But more than that, when people share it to more people, definitely AI also can easily understand, okay, this is a content that is sought after by many people. So it made my day today morning actually. that comment from a student, and he didn't seen any of the videos before. This was a random message I got. Because normally when we search something in ChatGPT, our previous activities are also monitored. But this was a random message from a random person who don't know any of the content or any of the things. So he just got the information from ChatGPT and wanted to get the channel details and other things or other resources of ours. Okay, so thank you all of you for making this channel kind of something bigger than what I even anticipated, because for me it was just a starting, like I just wanted to put my videos in YouTube and let more people be benefited. That is the only thing. But now it is being one of the sought after channel in YouTube for this particular category. So thank you all of you. So coming back to prime numbers में कोई doubt है तो पूछ सकता है. So finding prime number, crick complex finding prime number is not very important. That's why I'm saying exam revision के लिए skip करिए. That is not important. Briefly, if you want to know, what you have to do is take the square root of the number approximately. वो square root के below वाला prime numbers क्या क्या है, वो prime numbers है, divisibility check करना है. If एक भी number divisible नहीं है तो prime number है. If at least one number, if it is divisible by, it is not a prime number. That is the brief explanation. But last minute में you don't have to learn that. I'm telling to 2025 July aspirants, that part you can skip. So then let's go to the prime numbers. All of you are clear. Then let's go to the next thing. Now algebra mein at least these three are very basic things, all of you know. And even this also in one exam this was needed, but at least these three identities which you learned in school is needed. And these three, sum of first n natural number, odd number, even number का logic explain करना possible है, but time ज़्यादा लगेगा. That is why go through it and tell me if you are clear about it. Clear means you have to by heart it now. You have to by heart it now. Normally I say by heart very minimum things, but आज एक revision lecture है, ये सबका reason explain किया तो very less topics we can complete today. So go through it and tell me. It's an opportunity to revise things that you already know, or you may have partially forgotten, or you know it, but a quick revision will help you to recall all the things. Sushmita, in updated flashcards is in our mobile app itself. You can find it, Sushmita. And as part of our course, whatever you are getting, that is also the updated one itself. In Amazon, we are publishing the updated version very soon. So in last exam, I have qualified CSIR-NET and I got 27.5 marks in Part A. So happy to hear, Anshika. Thanks to you, Lisa. So happy to hear. Thank you so much for letting us know. So good words or testimonials from students are always precious for me. You're the best mentor, sir. Thank you so much, Amisha. Your explanation is very different. I love it. Thank you, Crick Complex. Thank you. And congrats, Anshika, for clearing the exam. Really teaching, explaining us very well. I love you, sir. So happy to hear, Sushmita. Thank you, all of you. So any doubts? At least this 3 plus 3, 6 identities you should know. Avanish also is saying I also got good marks, 25 out of 30. Yeah, I saw your message before. Thank you so much, Avanish. So happy to hear. Yeah, every educator will feel happy after the exam also. You mention that if they helped, definitely let them know. Okay, so ये idea clear है ना? Now, last class में rapid fire lecture में भी मैंने बताया था ये place value representation इसके based questions multiple time पूछा है. Like 2-digit number है तो 10A plus B, 3-digit number है तो 100A plus 10B plus C, even 4-digit number का भी question एक बार पूछा है. Do you remember? Even yesterday we have discussed such a question. A 2-digit number plus its sum of digits is divisible by which of the 4 following options? वहां पे 2-digit number को 10A plus B लिखना है, then digits का sum को A plus B लिखना है. That idea whether you know, that is the only thing that is needed. and that idea is based on place value idea. Second standard mein place value face value ka difference we are learning in school, but second standard mein means that is almost 10 to 20 years before na. So that is why we can forget it. That is totally understandable. That is why please revise it. At least 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit number को कैसा represent करना है, this idea is very important. Direct method से question करना है तो ये idea चाहिए. Rapid fire series में भी I have shown you 2 examples of such questions. So refer that, you will understand. Now another important idea is factors. For example, prime number have only 2 factors. Very obvious thing, na? Composite number have 3 or more than 3 factors. Now, factors occur in pair. So when you see a number, for example, 12, 1 into 12 is 2 factors, 2 into 6 is another 2 factors, 3 into 4 is 12. So 3 and 4 are factors. So writing it like this, that will help you to understand factors. And 2025 February exam में 3 subjects का पेपर में एक क्वेश्चन आया था, geometric mean और factors together use करने वाला question. That was little time consuming question. Check out my lecture on February 2025 question analysis. There I have explained it. So there this splitting of numbers into factors was very important. So try to split it like this, then it is very easy. So then another important thing, not direct question, indirectly बहुत ही important है LCM and HCF का concept. Hope all of you know that concept. If not, please go through this flashcard. You can take a screenshot of it. As I told, screenshots and all is okay to take, but use it for your personal use. Some students are so hardworking that they will take time to screenshot all the flashcards and make it into a single PDF and share it among friends. Please don't do that. That is not the right way. Use it for your personal use. If you screenshot all the flashcards also, no problem for me, but it should be for your use. So that's why in YouTube channel itself I have shown almost all flashcards, but it's a copyrighted material also, because I have an agreement with the publisher who have invested in printing that flashcards and publishing it. So I am not only the creator of this flashcard, I am also a party in the copyright agreement. So that also I have to keep, because otherwise I cannot update it and print it next time, and students only will lose because of that. So for the greater good of future students also, please don't circulate copyrighted material, and if possible don't use copyrighted materials if you are not purchasing it. Okay, so क्लियर है ना? दस LCM HCF कैसा फाइंड करना है, सबको क्लियर है? प्राइम फैक्टराइज करके पावर लिख के, दिस प्रोसेस स्कूल डे मैथ ओनली, बट इट इज इजी टू फॉरगेट, सो गो थ्रू इट. एंड then number system mein another important concept is arithmetic progression concept. Not many times CSIR have asked it, but at least this formula and this formula, sum of first n numbers, n by 2 into a plus l, n by 2 into a plus l, these two ideas at least you should know. Geometric progression CSIR ने एक बार ये पूछा था, sum of an infinite geometric progression, first term by 1 minus common ratio. So these are the 3 important formulas that is needed here. Now CSIR ने एक बार ये पूछा था, that is why I have included this in the flashcard. Earlier in our flashcard this was not there, but we have included it because एक बार CSIR ने ये पूछा था, how to find number of factors. The step by step process I have listed it out. If 72 is the number, how many factors 72 have? For smaller number you can write down all the factors, but for bigger numbers you cannot do that na. For example, I showed now 12 का factors 1 2 3 4 5 6 factors है, but bigger number के लिए वो time consuming है. That is why first prime factorize it and represent it in exponent form. Then उसका powers है ना, वो powers के साथ 1 add करके multiply करिए. This is the technique. Step by step I have explained here, go through it. Then sum of factors का भी एक formula है, complicated है, so sum of factors skip it for the time sake. CSIR ने एक भी बार पूछा नहीं, but number of factors एक बार पूछा था. That is why to find the number of factors, if you have time, if it is easy to understand, go through it. Okay, so that is number system related concepts. If there is any doubt regarding number system, please ask. Now we have probability, permutation, combination, etc. As I told, today my throat is not well, that's why I cannot continue for long. So tomorrow we will continue. I scheduled this lecture yesterday. That's the only reason I am taking this session today, because from noon onwards my throat is straining. That's why if I strain it more, tomorrow I will not be able to take class. So that's why we will finish today's session here. Number system is what we discuss. Other areas we will discuss one by one in the upcoming classes. Tomorrow onwards, I will make sure we will get a 45 minutes at least, or 1 hour class at least. 45 minutes to 1 hour we will take. If the session was useful, please hit the like button. That will help this video to reach more people. And for ChatGPT to also identify this video will be good for that 28th July exam. और कुछ doubt है? Yes, Avanish. Mathematical science students can use those concepts. And once again reminding new students, GATE के लिए live complete course 2.0 started yesterday. It's a very structured course. 3 days live classes, 3-day practice, and Sunday test on the topics we discussed on that week. And live classes और सारा live classes का recording भी मिलेगा. 5:30 PM is the live class timing. But if you cannot attend live, many students do that. They join the live class to get their latest content, but they watch the lectures as a recording. I prefer more people attending live classes, but if timing is an issue, every day after the class in 1 hour itself we update the recording, so that the same day itself students have the option to watch the live classes. Or mock test, doubt sessions, weekly test, study material, all are included in the course as part of this live complete course. And now launch price is applicable with the coupon code launch 500. And CSIR का भी live complete course available है. So for December aspirants, not for July aspirants. Don't purchase this course now for July exam, because it is very late to purchase the course now. 6 days remaining for the exam. And yeah, those of you watching this recording later, you may think why I am saying this, but I'm telling to those people who are preparing for the coming Monday exam, don't join any paid course now. So attend, use the content that is available for you through the YouTube and other things. Paid courses only I'm telling for those people who are preparing for December exam, because I know some people at least July exam just attempting for knowing the pattern of the exam, but you're planning to attempt December exam more in detail, or you're doing M.Sc now and you want to try CSIR for once, because CSIR does not have any limit of number of attempts or anything. Like civil service exam mein limit is there, how many times you can attempt the exam, but CSIR mein koi limit nahi hai. That's why I recommend, if you haven't prepared exam, for example, some of you planned for preparing but didn't prepare at all due to other exams and other M.Sc classes that you have to attend. Now you are doubtful whether you should attempt this 28th July exam. I will say definitely you should attend, because that exam experience can help you a lot for December exam. I'm telling you those people who haven't prepared at all for July exam. So that is one thing I want to tell you all. Her exam will give you experience. So if you have opportunity to attempt an exam, attempt it. Unless there is a limit in number of attempts, attempt exams. That will help you to plan for the upcoming preparation better. Any other doubts? Please provide Vedic math classes. Anshika, Vedic math classes after the exam we will plan, because now before exam Vedic maths will definitely help, but to say be more important things are there. That's why we will give priority to that. But definitely speed maths and Vedic maths will help you not only for competitive exam, for real life calculation or real life situations also. So that we will plan, and many videos we have already provided in this. There is a playlist called speed maths or mathemagic. 2-3 playlists are there. Go through that. So that's it, and do share this video to more people. Tomorrow we will meet. Tomorrow it won't be 5:30 PM because our GATE course is at 5:30 PM. Tomorrow most probably the classes will be 4 o'clock itself, 4 o'clock. I will update you. Anyway, thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good night. See you all in the next class. Those of you want to join our resources, check the description of the video for getting free access. And free mock test be available at wo bhi, download the mobile app. There you can find the free mock test. You just have to click on enroll now and that is it. You don't have to pay anything. So that's it. So I will recommend most expected question lecture and the rapid fire series also. New students who are not attended it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Okay. Yeah. So the message is now only. Thank you, Avinish. Anshika, I will consider that. Thank you all of you for the good words. So that's it. Thank you. Bye.